Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to change next player switching mode. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter game settings. Scroll down and find switching. In next player switching you can switch between classic, closest to ball, goal side. While defending, press L1 to switch to the next best available player on the pitch. Classic. The best player will be determined by various factors. Goal side. The setting factor favors players on the goal side of the ball, closest to ball. This setting favors players who are closest to the ball. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.